In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country setting in Amazon Prime Video easily, and it should take us no more than 5 minutes. This can be really helpful if you've moved to a new country and want to make sure your Amazon content reflects your new location. So let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, locate the sign in option. You'll typically find this in the upper right hand corner of the page. Clicking sign in will take you to the login page if you're not already logged into your account. Go ahead and enter your email address into the provided field and click continue. It's important to use the email associated with your Amazon Prime Video account to avoid any confusion. After you've entered your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you type it in carefully and then click on sign in to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll be dropped back onto the Amazon homepage. From here, you'll want to head over to the account and lists menu. It's usually located near the same place where you found the sign in option. Hover over this menu and you'll see a drop down with several options. You'll want to select your account from this list, which will take you to your account settings page. Now that you're on your account settings page, it's time to focus on the section titled Devices. Clicking on Devices will show you a list of all the devices connected to your Amazon account, which is quite useful for managing access. Next, find and click on the Preferences tab. It's located near the top of this page and gives you access to various configurations regarding your Amazon experience. Once inside the Preferences menu, you should see an option called Country Region Settings. Clicking this will bring up a new section where you can see your current country settings. To change these, click on the Change button. You might notice that this could require additional verification steps, so just be sure you're ready to provide any necessary information. Enter your new country in the provided fields. You'll want to be careful here, ensuring you select the correct country to prevent any future access issues with your Amazon services. Once you've entered the appropriate country, find and click the Update button. This will save your changes and officially change your country setting for Amazon Prime Video. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your country setting in Amazon Prime Video. This small but crucial change ensures that your content reflects your current location. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Happy viewing!